So I made this no limestone ncha and it's been sitting in my fridge for like a month now. And anytime I open my refrigerator and I see it, I begin to crave Isi Ewu delicacy. And I had this goat meat that's been sitting in my freezer for a while. So I decided to try it with my ncha. And guys, you won't believe what I found out. Goat meat and ncha. Just keep on watching to see what I did with it. Welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a short video, so let's get started. I have like 4 spoons of ncha in my pot. Here I have small chunks of goat meat, sliced chili peppers, onion, parsley, and ugba. I add the ugba to the pot, add the sliced chili peppers, give it a good mix, add the goat meat, give it a good stir, making sure the ncha coats every bit of the meat. If you want to know how I prepared this ncha, I have a video on that. I'll link it in the comment section and also in the description. I serve in a bowl. Give this video a like and click on subscribe to support this channel and to encourage me to make more videos like this. I garnish with some sliced onion and some parsley for color. Take a look at this deliciousness. It had the same face as the goat head, as the Isi Ewu. Like there was no difference. You couldn't tell, except there was no nti, there was no ear, there was no eyes, there was no tongue, but it tasted exactly like Isi Ewu. Like with your eyes closed, you cannot tell it is just goat meat. You would think you're eating Isi Ewu. Give this video a like and subscribe to my channel if you're yet to do so, and I'll see you in my next one. Till then, keep winning and living your best life.